Still dragging Excel columns around like it's 1999? Yeah, there's a much faster way. Let's ditch the drag and drop and unlock some keyboard shortcuts that'll make you fly through your spreadsheets. Want to save time, boost your workflow, and feel like an Excel ninja? These column shortcuts are total game changers. And once you know them, there's no going back. Imagine this. You're elbow deep in a spreadsheet. You need to move, resize, or format columns, and you're stuck clicking tiny arrows or dragging things one by one. There's a better way. With just a few keyboard combos, you can do it all. Clean, fast, no fuss. Let me walk you through the essential column shortcuts that'll instantly boost your Excel skills. First up, selecting and moving columns. Start with Ctrl plus space to select an entire column. Want to move it? Just cut with Ctrl plus X and paste it where you need. With Ctrl plus V, no more dragging. What about inserting and deleting columns now? To insert a new column, hit Ctrl plus. Need to delete one? Use Ctrl plus minus. Quick and clean. Now resizing columns without a mouse. Auto-resize a column to fit its content by pressing Alt, then HOI. Your data instantly looks cleaner, and you didn't even touch the mouse. What about formatting columns? Apply number formats in seconds. Ctrl plus Shift plus 1 for numbers, 2 for time, 5 for percentages. Easy to remember, super efficient. Need a mouse to auto-fit multiple columns? Not anymore. Select as many columns as you want and hit the same shortcut, Alt-H-O-I, to auto-fit all of them in one shot. We can even freeze panes without a mouse. Working with a big data set? Freeze headers with Alt, right arrow W, right arrow F, right arrow R for the top row, or C to freeze the first column. Keeps key info locked in place. Want to group columns? Want a tidier spreadsheet? Group related columns using Alt plus Shift plus right arrow. You can then collapse or expand them to keep things neat. Here's what it looks like in practice. On the left, it's clicks and dragging and menus. On the right, keyboard shortcuts getting the job done in seconds. When you're not wasting time formatting, you've got more time to focus on what actually matters, understanding your data. Here's a quick recap of what we covered. Ctrl plus space, select a column. Ctrl plus X slash Ctrl plus V, cut and paste. Ctrl plus plus slash minus, insert or delete columns. Alt arrow H arrow O arrow I, auto resize control. Plus Shift plus, number. Format data, Alt W, F, RC, freeze panes, Alt, plus Alt Shift, plus, group columns. You'll save time, work faster, and feel more in control of every spreadsheet. If this video helped you level up, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with your fellow spreadsheet warriors. More time-saving tips are coming your way.